If you're looking to break into a tech job, I'll be going over entry-level work-from-home roles that are looking to hire immediately, and one of them offers up to $160,000 for less than 1 year of experience. As a former tech recruiter for major organizations, I understand exactly how companies hire and the best ways you can go about landing these positions. So not only will I break down these requirements, but I'll also give you the best tips on how to stand out from the crowd. In case a position that I cover is no longer available, I'll be sure to give you information about what types of opportunities to keep an eye out for as well. That said, the first remote opening I'll cover falls under the technical support space. Tech support teams help customers by resolving tech issues like fixing bugs in software or troubleshooting internet problems. They typically provide support over the phone, email, or online chat. This career ladder shows where your career can grow after breaking into tech support. Starting salaries generally range from $40,000 to $55,000 and can grow to six figures after gaining a couple years of experience. And right now, Miles IT is looking for a software support agent. They are a leading IT company that helps businesses nationwide with a range of services. They've been in business since 1997 and have between 200 to 500 employees. Miles IT is also a two-time winner of the Business Journal's Best Places to Work award. This software support role is remote and can work anywhere in the US with starting pay up to a $50,000 base salary. In this role, you will troubleshoot different software issues over the phone and email while providing top-notch customer service. Based on the requirements, this is truly an entry-level position. The main skill they're looking for is customer service. So good problem solving and communication skills will be the key to landing this job. And if you happen to have any previous tech support experience, it will certainly give you an advantage over other applicants. Some of the benefits the company provides includes insurance coverage, paid time off, 401k match, and tuition assistance. If you're interested in applying, you can find their openings at milesit.com/careers. Now, if you're in the market for a new position, there's a few things you need to know that can increase the likelihood of you landing and passing an interview. First, your resume should be formatted in a specific way because many companies use AI to weed out applications. On top of that, hiring managers are trained to only ask open-ended questions in an interview, so you need to be prepared to handle that as well. If you want more details about the best way to write a resume and prepare for a job interview, feel free to download my career guides linked in the show notes below. The second job opening that we have for today falls under the software development space. Software developers work with different coding languages to build applications for businesses and consumers to use. This code acts like instructions for computers and devices to follow so that programs run smoothly for the end user. You can start off in this field making nearly six figures, and with just a few years under your belt, some companies pay around $200,000 salaries. Right now, Oracle has a remote opening for an entry-level software development engineer. Oracle is a global technology company that helps businesses move their data from their systems into the cloud. They've been around since 1977 and have over 10,000 employees. The software development engineer is remote and can be done from anywhere in the US and pays up to $150,000 starting off. In this role, you will help build security components, products, and solutions that meet strict software requirements. Based on the description, they're looking for someone with only a minimum of 1 year experience working with software. They also call out a degree related to computer science as a requirement. Now, coming from a recruiter, experience is always more valuable than education. So if you don't have a degree but think you'll be a good fit, I'd encourage you to apply. Oracle offers a list of top-notch benefits that you can read through. And if you're interested, you can apply at careers.oracle.com/jobs. And the job ID number is 232232, which you can enter in the search bar. If you want another option to break into software development, I also found this small website design company called Mannix Marketing that's looking for a junior developer/system administrator. It's a fully remote position and pays up to $62,000 a year. The job only calls for knowledge of WordPress, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP. So even if you've built a website as a personal project, you'd be qualified for this role. You can check out this job at mannixmarketing.com. Hover over the About tab at the top of the website and click on Careers. Now, another tip that I wanted to share is that submitting applications is helpful, but it's not the best way to land a job. Based on studies done over the years, 80% of jobs are actually filled through networking. So it pays to establish connections with a group of other professionals. If you want the best information on how to start building your network so you can land a higher paying and more fulfilling job, I'd encourage you to check out a book called The Proximity Principle. This book gives a blueprint on how to build quality relationships with professionals and leverage those relationships to easily land your dream career. And if you're interested, you can get the audio version of The Proximity Principle for free on Audible using the link in the show notes below. The next job opening we'll cover falls in the technology sales space. These sales teams are responsible for finding customers who could benefit from using their company's tech products or services. They often run through demos of their products to potential clients to show off its features and explain how it could help their business. Once the sale is made, they stay in touch to make sure everything runs smoothly. Starting pay in this field can be up to $80,000 a year and can grow to $200,000 once you gain some experience. Right now, VSP Optics is hiring for a remote sales technology specialist. VSP software provides support to over 30,000 eye care professionals and doctors across the country. They've been in business for over 60 years and have about 1,000 employees. The sales tech specialist can work anywhere in the US and can make up to an $85,000 starting salary. In this role, you will be the main point of contact to educate customers on best practices of using VSP software, and you will also help troubleshoot any system issues. This is a great position because not only will you partner with clients, you will also get a deep understanding of the technology, which will certainly lead to future opportunities. They are looking for someone with only a couple years of sales or client service experience, and the position does not require a degree. And if you have any background in analyzing processes or systems, that will really set you apart. VSP offers a competitive benefits package, and you can read through all the details on their website. If you're interested, you can apply by going to vspvision.com/careers, click on View All Jobs with VSP Vision, and enter job ID R-5567 in the search box. The next tip that I wanted to give you is hands down the most effective and fastest way to break into tech, especially if you have no experience. If you've never heard of a tech boot camp, it's essentially an online certification program that teaches you how to do the job that you're interested in. And once you're certified, they also help you get connected to various companies that are hiring. One of the best programs that I partnered with when I was recruiting is called Course Careers. And I've personally witnessed these students nearly double their income. If you'd like to learn more information about this, here's all the details. A recent study shows the average person spends over $30,000 on an education, often leading to both underpaying and unfulfilling jobs. If we actually want to start making more money in more meaningful careers, we cannot follow this trend any longer. Thankfully, there's a modernized service called Course Careers that thousands of people are using to land some of the highest paying jobs in the industry. By attending one of their hands-on training programs, you can get certified and hired into jobs with up to $80,000 starting salaries in just 8 weeks. Whether you're more passionate about working with products or people, Course Careers offers certifications in technology sales, software design, customer success, and more. This is the fastest and most affordable way to start or change your career. And the best thing is, they partner directly with employers that hire their students straight out of training. You can check out everything Course Careers has to offer by tapping the link in the show notes below, and get $50 off of your program by using code JustNotified50. You don't want to miss out, so sign up and start your path to a higher paying job today. If you're looking to increase your income, this channel is dedicated to helping people make more money in their career or side hustle to eventually become their own boss and build unbelievable wealth. Like and subscribe if you want more information. Leave a comment with any questions, and I'll be back soon.